Presenting the Fire-Boltt Ring Bluetooth calling smartwatch with SPo2 and 1.7 metal body with blood oxygen monitoring, continuous heart rate, full touch and multiple watch faces. It comes in color options of red, beige, and blue, black and grey white. It comes with 1.7-inch HD full touch and industry-best display of 1.7 inches size full metal body with changeable strap. It comes with battery life. It supports 24/7 heart rate tracking and real-time blood oxygen SPo2, SPo2 and heart rate tracking, and it also has sleep and fitness tracking. It also supports how to activate Bluetooth calling watch Fire-Boltt Ring and notification, connected for calls and audio. Dial pad, option to access recent calls and sync your phone's contacts and receive calls directly from your watch via the built-in speaker and microphone. It also has smart controls like weather forecast, alarm, remote control camera. It supports compatible app and phone's Bluetooth settings. The delivery box contains one new smartwatch, one new charging cable and one new manual. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.